will fill the third at-large seat on Allen County Council could still be up for debate. Roy Buskirk was re-elected last night, coming in third place, but he died last Friday. Democrats now say under Indiana law, all of the votes for Buskirk are null and void, which mean the fourth place candidate, Democrat Palermo Galindo, should win the seat. 15 Finds Out reporter Alyssa Ivinson spent the day talking to both sides and reviewing the law. So what'd you find out?
Well, there are several statutes at play here, and both the Republicans and the Democrats say the other side is misinterpreting the law.
I think the Democrats are trying to steal the election from the Republicans.
Apply the law as it is. That's not stealing anything. That's just following the law.
Allen County Councilman Roy Buskirk's death days before the elections, creating disagreement over who should fill his seat. In an emergency meeting Monday, the election board unanimously agreed there were no ballot changes needed.
Because the death was so close to Election Day, we were not mandated to do anything by state law. But as a practical matter, there was no way we could, on the ballot, show Mr. Buskirk as having been deceased or replace that name with somebody else's name.
But Democratic Party Chairman Jack Morris says while the ballot itself didn't have to change, the Republicans had to pick a designated successor before the election.
It's our understanding under that circumstance that person is the recipient of Roy Buskirk's votes then.
But doing nothing, Morris says, made Buskirk's candidacy invalid.
The statute says a deceased person cannot be a valid candidate. And so if you don't have a valid candidate designated, then it's a nullity.
Under their theory, I would have been required to appoint someone to fill a quote-unquote ballot vacancy on Monday, the day before the election, the same day that the election board stated that the ballot could not be changed and there was no vacancy.
Morris points to another statute that says votes for an invalid candidate can't count for a successor candidate.
The votes for Roy Buskirk are a nullity then, and you have to look at the results of the election under the law as if he wasn't there.
We are very confident that we are on sound legal footing. We have already put together a legal team who will fight this tooth and nail should the Democrats decide to pursue this issue.
Morris added that he does not want to disrespect Buskirk in any way or take away anything from his public service. The election board will meet to certify the votes on the 18th, but this debate is likely to end up in front of a judge because really no matter what the ruling is, one side is not going to agree with it and both are prepared to challenge it in the courts.